Hello, wonderful and appreciated being. Today I invite you to a very, very special place, and I think a very important place, because we're here where the back Rhine and the front Rhine, the translation would be, come together and join into the Rhine. And a few years ago, this place called me for harmonization of feminine and masculine and harmonization per se. And a few days ago, I was asked to bring forward to the people harmonize within. And when I was called to lay out the remembrance sign here, we did that. And I'm going to slide in some images so you see how it was and how and you can connect to the vibration. And it was very interesting. That's something that happened only here so quickly after. The day after we've done it, there was high water, and the energy and the remembrance sign itself was taken and splashed from the Rhine. The Rhine really wanted it for himself or herself. No, it's a himself. And it took it along right away. And here, pretty much where I stand, I placed an invisible crystal, a not yet visible crystal. And if you would like to receive support in harmonizing within, you may connect with the energy of the remembrance sign being laid out here and with the crystal who supports you to harmonize within. Now, so many people talk about feminine, masculine and harmonizing, but it's very important that it's being understood. And I will talk more about it in the Call of Remembrance Circle. So for you, I invite you to really, well, maybe there is one more side note. It's very interesting because when I was called here, and by the way, many, many places around the world will be calling to lay out the remembrance sign to harmonize feminine and masculine. And here, specifically, it was one part of the Rhine, the front Rhine as we call it, is feminine, and the back Rhine is masculine. And they were very different in energy. And the coming together and the joining is like a marriage. And I think it's very important what is being sent into the ocean from here. And we're not very far from the spring of the Rhine. So it's really wonderful that this has been done, and for you to be able to connect to this very place. So again, I honor some more flute play for the Rhine and the marriage of the Rhine. I wish you a harmonizing enjoyment and a harmonizing moving forward. Much love and lots of gratitude for you. The wind plays along. And if you would like to enjoy some more sound, it's taking place every Monday. Soul Freeing Sound. Calimero enjoys it a whole lot.